Welcome to another exciting DIY project kit from Schogini Toys. This time it is an infrared sensor security alarm using a pre-programmed CPU. First open the battery holder lid and place 3 AA batteries and switch on to test the ready-to-use pre-wire DIY kit. Position the infrared sensor conveniently on the side like this using the double-sided tape so that it can detect objects easily. Depending on your kit's model, you might need to connect a jumper wire from pin 9 of the CPU to the ground. Refer to the manual sheet included with the kit for detailed instructions. Press the reset or arm push button. There will be an initial few seconds of fast beeps to indicate that the alarm is getting ready. Now the alarm is armed and is ready to alert. Bring your finger near the infrared sensor LED and the alarm triggers. And guess what? You can easily extend the IR sensor using the included jumper wires. This means you can fit this into a model security cardboard box, turning it into an awesome project for your next school science fair. So, gear up to build your own infrared security alarm with this kit. Remember, it's all about building, learning, and having fun with Schogini Toys DIY kits. Stay tuned for more, and let's keep creating amazing things together.